Hi guys, here 10 minus 2 is 8 times here 3 plus 2 in bracket whole square divided by 5. Here 8 times 3 plus 2 is 5 to the power of 2 divided by 5. Here 8 times 5 square is 25 divided by 5. Here 8 times 20 is 200 divided by 5. Here 200 divided by 5 is 40 is the wrong answer. As per this order of operation, this 40 is the wrong answer. Here we are going to introduce this PEMDAS rule from order of operation. This is bracket higher priority. This is exponent. M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, A stands for subtraction. Here multiplication divisions are equal priority. Also this addition subtractions are equal priority. For this equal priority, we are going to introduce another rule called left to right in the problem. Now we are going to solve this problem in correct way by using this order of operations PEMDAS. Here as per this order of operations PEMDAS, the bracket is higher priority, so we have to do this bracket before any other operation. So 10 minus 2, here 3 plus 2 is 5 to the power of 2 divided by 5. Here the next priority is exponent. Here we have 5 to the power of 2. So we have to do this 5 to the power of 2 before any other operation. So 10 minus 2 times 5 square is 25 divided by 5. Here we have subtraction, multiplication and division. Here multiplication divisions are higher priority than this subtraction. So we have to do this multiplication division before this subtraction. Here multiplication divisions are equal priority. For this equal priority, we have introduced this left to right rule. Here left to right is 2 times 25. So 10 minus 2 times 25 is 50 divided by 5. Here subtraction and division. Division is higher priority than subtraction. So we have to do this division before this subtraction. So 10 minus 50 divided by 5 is 10. Here 10 minus 10 is 0 is the correct answer.